Hey everybody, I'm DevGMR and welcome to my YouTube channel. For those of you who don't know, this is my first ever developer related YouTube channel. Now, just to be clear, this isn't necessarily one of those programming tutorial, algorithm writing, data structure, syntax explaining, resume writing, flow control describing, string manipulation, hardware dissecting, language explaining channels. Well, even though I'll probably be doing all those things at one point or another, they won't be my main point of focus in the videos that I decide to put out. What I'll actually be trying to do is take a visually stimulating, exciting, and involved approach to developer related content. Now, before I get into any specific details about what it is exactly that I'll be doing, I want you to get an idea of why I started this channel. So, for starters, I've always been the type of person to get really involved in a project. This can be anything ranging from a sole proprietor type startup to consultant based work. Unfortunately, even though I almost always put out a finished project, I find that new goals are more exciting than growing current projects. Probably due to some self diagnosed ADHD. Procrastination sucks, and finding a way to stay productive is always difficult. For this reason, I thought that having a channel where I can showcase and keep a record of my accomplishments will help keep me focused and goal oriented. Doing this will also help me gain some capabilities in content creation while inspiring creativity in not only myself but others as well. You may also be wondering about my qualifications. For experience, almost all of the technologies I'll be working with on this channel are completely new to me. I have no formal IT or computer science background, but have self-taught several programming languages, frameworks, and systems for both back and front-end development. So what I'm trying to say is, if I can do this, anyone else can as well. So, now that that's out of the way, and I know you're probably dying to hear what I'm doing, let's get into it. So this channel will be focused on my personal journey in what I like to call complete game development. This includes gaining experience with tools for game creation, animation, video and sound effects, and model development. Now each of these things alone take a substantial amount of time and effort. So I'll also be recording my progress with individual software packages and toolkits. This way, anyone interested can kind of see the approach I took, where mistakes were made, and what could have been done differently. You'll also be able to gain some insight into what it takes to create games from scratch. You may also be wondering what's going on in the video I'm showing. I'm currently installing a popular game development software called Unity. Just as a heads up, I'm in no way affiliated with the company or the software. I'm simply using Unity as my headway into game development, mainly because it has plenty of tutorials available online and it's been the game engine for several popular games. Well, that pretty much covers the fundamental idea of content that I expect to provide. Things can change here and there over time, but this channel is an opportunity for me to entertain and inspire others while achieving my own goals. Having said that, to keep up to date on content that I put out, hit that subscribe button and notification bell. I'll see you soon.